Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you all how to make pancakes because you really do be needing to learn how to cook. But I bought Just Add Water on accident, so don't talk about that. So first we're going to pour the mix into the measuring cup and make a mess, and then be mad at yourself for making a mess. And we're going to put the right amount of water into the pancakes, what it says on the box. And then we're going to mix it. And I chose to put bananas in it because that's the fruit I like, but you can put whatever fruit you want in them. So now I'm just going to angrily mash up this banana, and I'm going to pour it into my mix, and then I'm going to mix it again. And then I'm going to put some cinnamon in. You put your stove on medium heat, and then you put some butter into your pan. And then you pour your batter into the pan. And you wait until it's ready to flip. But yeah, don't flip it too early, because if you flip it too early, that'll happen. So we're gonna wait until it's ready to flip. And then bam, you're done.